Good morning, everybody. I'm Professor Michele Piazza. I work in Padua as a vascular and endovascular surgeon. I'm particularly focused on complex abdominal repair and management with fever and beaver. So today I gave my talk here at Charing Cross 2026 on the role of AI-assisted planning for fenestrated PMEG. This type of new standardized approach significantly changed what is the historical limits of planning that is, of course, operator dependent, based on his own experience, but there is always a large number of small biases that each one of us can have in taking the measurements. Having the AI tool assisting the operator in the planning gives two great advantages. One is that you limit the bias and the risk of misaligning your fenestration during planning. And the second point is that significantly reduce the time needed for planning. So in my personal experience, I think that AI planning could be a revolution in this field because it's not just a support for the clinicians, but it can completely skip the need from the physician to do the planning. What we are working with Predisol today is to let the operator just think about where you want to land in your supraceliac aorta and what is the diameter of the graft that you want to use. And after that, the machine with this automated software system will create and give the results of where to place the fenestration in the correct position, both in vertical length and lateral distance, but also we take into account any aortic particular conditions like angulations, difference and mismatch of diameter between the supraceliac and the pararenal aorta. So what we have seen with the sphere registry and with the standardization of the planning is that we limit significantly the risk of misalignment when we look at the postoperative CT angiogram with the risk of misalignment of about 1 millimeter. That means that you will successfully get access and bridge your fenestration in all the cases, with limited risk also for long-term instability because the fenestration are well in position to the ostium of the target vessel. What we see for the future is to make this software available to physicians that can be uploaded as an app or wherever in your computer. It can be integrated, and once you have your CT angiogram before implantation, you can upload the images, and in about 3 or 4 minutes you can receive the complete report of where to place the fenestration in your graft.